Greetings my fellow descendants of Boracha K-Pro, and this is part 2 of the first tutorial that I had for maths. So I did tell you where to find us: Facebook, we got Instagram, we got your TikTok, we're gonna be on Twitter soon. It's SciMasterZA, right? So I'm actually back right now, and my team just told me to be chilled a bit, but or something, right? So I'm actually being chilled. Yeah, I know I'm hot, so I'm being chilled now. Right? Right, listen now. Now we're gonna be doing the K-Pro maths. Now listen. Now 1.1 is actually what they're saying. It's x squared plus x minus 12. So I want us to apply this thing that I used to use in class to get high marks. Now check what's gonna happen. We have x squared plus x minus 12 is equals to 0. So they did us a favor. They've already equated everything to 0, right? So all we have to do is plug this in the quadratic formula. Now listen, I'm going to teach you something. The reason why I chose these questions is because there's something significant that I have to highlight. Listen to me. The difference between this question and this question. This is the same question, right? But now here we have a bracket that says correct to 2 decimal places. Now once you see something saying correct to 2 decimal places, it means they are forcing you to use the quadratic formula. I'm going to repeat. If they say correct to 2 decimal places, it means they are forcing you to use the quadratic formula. Why? They want to see if you can use the quadratic formula. So I was safe because I was using it wire. Ne? I was exploiting it. I was abusing it. Ne? Sharp. Now check. What's going to happen is that I can't factorize. So what do? I say quadratic formula. So it says x is negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac. I'd forgotten it. Right, over 2a. Then I told you guys, what is the coefficient of x squared? It's 1. So 1 will be your a, right? What's the coefficient of x? It's 1. So this is going to be your b. Then here we have negative 12, and that's going to be your c. Where do I get the a, b, c? From the standard formula, which I gave out before, right? What is our standard formula there? Our standard formula is still ax squared plus bx plus c, right? That's our standard formula right there, right? I think it's equals to 0, right? Sharp. So now all I have to do is plot. Okay, what is my b? My negative. Remember, every time we are substituting with open brackets, or else you're gonna get a 0. Now listen to me very, very carefully. I put my brackets right there, right? I have my 1, right? My b is 1, sharp. My b is still 1. I put 1 squared there, minus 4. And then what is my a? My a is 1. This is very, very simple. My c is negative 12. Over, right? 2a. My a is 1. Then I just press my calculator. I don't use a calculator. I'm so sorry. I don't use a calculator. So I'm not giving you guys the answer. Use a calculator, right? But you're going to get 2 answers, right? X is equals to whatsoever. And x is equals to whatsoever. Right? So that's question 1 for you. And then the teacher would mark, this is the same as factorizing. It's equivalent to factorizing. So the teacher will give you full marks. I think this is 3 marks right there. Right? Easy. Now this is where the problem comes. If they said, in this question, correct to 2 decimal places, as I said, they are forcing you to use the quadratic formula. Now, the only difference actually, I'm sorry, I lied. If your answer is 4,8,8,3,4, then here it's 1,2,2,5,4. And they say correct to 2 decimal places, right? Where now you're gonna come and say 4,88. You look at this number. If this number is greater than, is 5 and above, then you're gonna say this answer is 4,89. Ne? But if this number is less than 5, the way it is, you leave it as 4,88. You've corrected to 2 decimal places. I hope I'm making sense. Let's come this side. If this number here, the number 3, they say 2 decimal places. If the number 3, this number 3 here, is 5 or greater, then your answer will be 1,23. Then you've corrected to 2 decimal places. I hope it's making sense right there. I hope everybody understands what's going on right there. So I'm just going to hop into the last one, because I know my time is about to be up. Right.